For centuries, every major technological revolution has reshaped the world. The steam engine created factories, electricity powered cities, computers launched the digital age, and now, artificial intelligence is here, growing faster than any technology in human history. But with its rise comes one looming question: will AI cause a global depression? Today, AI is everywhere. It diagnoses diseases faster than doctors, writes code in seconds, drives cars, analyzes financial markets, and even creates art. Supporters call it the greatest productivity boost in human history, a tool that could eliminate boring jobs, reduce errors, and unlock entire new industries. Some economists predict AI could add trillions of dollars to the global GDP, just like machines did during the Industrial Revolution. But every revolution has a cost. When machines replaced factory workers in the 1800s, it led to decades of unemployment and economic instability. And now, AI isn't just replacing physical labor, it's coming for knowledge work. Accountants, customer service reps, graphic designers, truck drivers, even lawyers. No longer safe. In 2023, Goldman Sachs estimated that 300 million jobs worldwide could be automated. That's not a small shift. That's an earthquake. If millions of workers lose their jobs faster than new industries can absorb them, what happens next? Less income means less spending. Less spending means businesses shrink. Shrinking businesses lead to more layoffs. And suddenly, the world is facing a recession unlike any before, not caused by banks or real estate or war, but by algorithms. Economists warn that rapid automation could trigger a deflationary spiral, where goods get cheaper, but no one can afford them. A world where AI creates abundance, but without people earning money to participate in that abundance. But here's the truth. AI alone will not decide the future. Humans will. If governments and businesses prepare, through reskilling programs, universal basic income experiments, new education systems, AI taxes, and worker AI collaboration tools, then AI could launch a new golden age. But if we ignore the warning signs, if we leave millions unemployed without a plan, then yes, AI could cause the first technology-driven global depression in history. Every generation faces a defining moment. Ours is not whether AI will exist, but whether society is ready for what comes next. AI could save lives, cure diseases, and eliminate human suffering. Or it could create the largest economic divide the world has ever seen. So the question is not just, will AI cause a global depression? But whether we are willing to shape a future where no one gets left behind. Want more clear, simple breakdowns of AI, technology, and the future of work? Then subscribe to Simply AI Explained, turn on notifications, and join the discussion below. Do you think AI will cause a global depression or a global revolution?